Guys, I have waken up.
I am gonna force Extreme Demon to wear diaper. Extreme Demon, you are forced to wear diaper.
I am not a baby, you sobbed.
Yes, you are.
Why are you both arguing?
Because she forced me to wear diaper.
Okay? Mia, he's an adult, not a baby.
Are you dumb? Adults can wear diaper. Yay, he is a baby.
Mia, you are grounded for 99,999,999,999,999 quintillion years. Go to your room right now.
That's on fire, but that's how we like it. The heat is on and it keeps on rising up and make it harder. We make it harder. Oh, oh, oh.